In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use OBS Virtual Camera for Google Meet with this comprehensive 2025 full guide. If you're looking to enhance your video calls or presentations on Google Meet using OBS, then you're in the right place. We'll go through everything step by step, ensuring you have all the information needed to set up and use the OBS Virtual Camera effectively. To start, you'll need to download and install OBS Studio. This software is essential as it serves as the backbone of our video enhancing process. Visit obsproject.com, a trusted resource for these applications. When you arrive at the website, choose the appropriate version for your operating system, whether that's Windows, Mac, or Linux. Once the download is complete, proceed with the installation following the on-screen instructions. It's usually straightforward, but make sure to carefully read any prompts that come up. After installation, launch OBS Studio to get ready for the next steps. With OBS Studio open, the next thing you'll want to do is configure the software to function as a virtual camera. On the main OBS interface, you'll notice a button labeled Start Virtual Camera. Go ahead and click on that. This action activates the virtual camera feature, which effectively turns your OBS output into a webcam feed that can be accessed by other applications, including Google Meet. Now that OBS is set up, it's time to head over to Google Meet. Open Google Meet in your preferred web browser. This platform will be where you link everything together and test out your OBS virtual camera setup. If you haven't done so already, sign in with your Google account credentials. Once you're in, you need to prepare for a meeting. You can either join an existing meeting or start a new one. If you're looking to record the meeting or share enhanced video content, make sure the meeting you join is the one you actually want to work with. This ensures that everything is set up correctly from the start. The final step is all about linking OBS with Google Meet. During your meeting, look at the bottom bar of the Google Meet interface. Here, click the three-dot menu icon, often referred to as the ellipsis. From the menu that appears, select Settings, and then navigate to the Video tab. In the Camera drop-down menu, you will see an array of camera options available to you. What you need to do here is select OBS Virtual Camera. This selection tells Google Meet to use the output from OBS Studio as your video feed for the meeting. And there you have it. By following these steps, you should now have successfully set up and be using the OBS Virtual Camera with Google Meet. This setup empowers you to enhance your video presentations, lectures, or any other meetings using OBS's powerful features. Feel free to experiment with different scenes and sources in OBS to create dynamic and professional-looking video content for your meetings.